It's time to make another one of those meals where you open a bunch of cans and you throw them in a pot. I'd like to thank my viewer Lish for this wonderful suggestion. I'm making a Colorado green chili. It's basically a soup, or you can use it to smother over things like chicken or enchiladas. Let the dumping begin. 2 cans of Rotel tomatoes. A can of petite tomatoes in garlic and olive oil. We've got diced tomatoes with onion, celery, and green peppers. 2 small or 1 large can of jalapeños. And some diced green chilies as well. And 2 cans of chicken broth. Let's boil that up. I've brought it to a boil. Now I'm going to lower the temperature and let it simmer and let all those spices meld together. Okay, this is gonna be spicy. Definitely perfect for a night like tonight. We've got freezing rain going on. Nice and spicy. I'm getting warm all over. Ooh, it's down to here. How did the geologist become an expert in sinkholes? She just fell into it.